Exercise 23. A smartphone manufacturer is considering using one of two advertisements to launch a new phone. To investigate which is preferred by consumers, the manufacturer surveyed a random sample of 300 shoppers at a local mall. So, 300 shoppers were surveyed, 300 shoppers at a mall. A coin flip was used to determine which advertisement the shopper would view first. So, and remember that we need uh, to see two different types of ads. So we have two different ads and they flipped a coin. Which of the following is the best reason that the survey results cannot be generalized to all smartphone consumers? The sample contains only 300 shoppers. No, that's not the case. We have repeatedly mentioned that it's never about the size. It's about the quantity, the quantity, yes, of the size. Not the quantity, the quality. Sorry. The sample must be unbiased and representative. But certain thing is it's not about its size. The same advertisement was not shown first each time. That's still irrelevant. The sample consisted of only shoppers from one mall. This is the one and only reason why we cannot generalize results of a survey. Remember that our surveys only count for the pool from which we got our sample originally. This means, for instance, that if I use as my pool the grade 10 students in my school and I randomly select some of them, my results will matter only for the grade 10 students in my school, not for all students in my school, not for all grade 10 students in general. So, the reason we cannot generalize that to all smartphone consumers is mainly because we just collected shoppers, so we collected consumers from a specific pool, from them all. The right answer here would have been C.